आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है फिर से इस इकोनॉमिक्स क्लास में। सो टुडे स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द न्यूमेरिकल पार्ट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट मल्टीप्लायर in which you have to calculate the equilibrium level of income, level of consumption at equilibrium and saving at equilibrium. So let us first understand the question that what is given. In question, in a two-sector economy, the income and consumption functions are given as. Income is given as y is equal to c plus I and the consumption function c is given as 50 plus 0.80y. If the investment are 50 crore, calculate the equilibrium level of income. So first of all, you have to understood that what is the equilibrium level of income. Equilibrium level of income is nothing, it is y is equal to c plus I, and we have to put the value of c as c bar plus b component of y. Okay, it is equation number 1, it is equation number 2. C is equal to, putting the value of c in equation number 1, what we will get, y is equal to c bar plus b component of y plus I. So this is the formula. This is the formula, y is equal to c bar plus b component of y plus I, through which we can easily calculate the value of equilibrium. Okay, in this particular question, what is given? C bar means c is given as 50 plus 0.80 y, where 50 is the autonomous consumption, 0.80 is the value of MPC, which will change according to the change of income, and I is also given, that is investment given as 50 crore. You have to calculate the value of income at equilibrium. This is the equilibrium condition. So by putting the values, we will get y is equal to c bar means 50 plus 0.80 y plus 50. If we are going to simplify, what we will get, 50 plus 50 100 plus 0.80 y. On this side there is 1 y and on this side there is 0.80 y. So we will assume as 1 y and this 0.80 y will go to that side as this, like this. So here we are having 0.20 y is equal to 100. So y is equal to 100. Now it is in the division position, multiplication position, it will go to that side as 0.20 into 100. It means y is equal to 500. Y is equal to 500. Now you have to put the value, same value on consumption curve, you will get consumption. So 50 plus 0.80 into 500. 50 plus, to eliminate the decimal value, we can divide by 100. It would be 400. So 400, 50 is the consumption, income is 500. So what is the saving? We know that saving is equal to income minus consumption. Means S is equal to y minus c is the formula for calculating saving. So S is equal to y minus c, saving is equal to, income is 500 and saving is 450. So saving would be 50 crore. In this way, we will calculate this type of questions. Thank you.